Windows 11 is actually a solid operating system, but Microsoft shipped it loaded with bloatware, tracking services, and others. If your PC feels slow, cluttered, or like it is doing more spying than working for you, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to clean Windows 11 step by step using a free open source tool called Winhance. No risky tweaks, no guesswork, just a faster, cleaner, and more private system. Before we make any changes, let's quickly talk about what Winhance is. Winhance is a free open source Windows optimization and privacy tool created by a developer named Memory. It helps us remove unnecessary apps, reduce tracking, and improve performance using standard Windows tools like PowerShell and registry settings. Because it is open source, everything that tool does is transparent and publicly verifiable. There are no hidden process and no permanent changes. Now let's start cleaning Windows 11 step by step. We are going to download Winhance and install it manually. So go to Downloads option here. Once the download is completed, open the folder and right-click the installer. Then choose Run as administrator. If Windows shows a smart screen warning, click More Info, then Run anyway. Follow the prompt to install for all users. Accept the agreement. Next. Let's perform a regular installation and create shortcut for the desktop. Next. Once installation is finished, launch the app from your desktop. As Winhance opens, initialization will take a few moments. During this time, it will automatically create a system restore point. This is your safety net, so if you don't like any changes we make, you can restore your system back to this exact moment. That means everything we are about to do is completely reversible and safe. While Winhance opens, it will look like this. So now let's remove the third-party bloatware. Under the Software and Apps tab, you'll see a list of apps here. Apps with a grid dot means the app is currently installed. And apps with a red dot means it is already removed. We only focus on the green ones. You see here the option select all installed, select all not installed. And also here installing the app and removing the apps. So for this demo, I will select common bloatware apps that most users don't need. Apps like Clipchamp here, which often feels sluggish, Get Help here, Feedback Hub, which are rarely used, and apps like Xbox. It is useful for gamers, but unnecessary for everyone else. And let me search for the app Wizard, which is known for intrusive notifications. So now let's select remove selected items. This installs will be removed. Do you want to continue? Yes. You will see here removing Windows apps. Now those apps are completely gone. So you will notice fewer background process right away. Now let's stop Windows from tracking your data and pushing others. Then from the top left list, go to Optimize. This is where Winhance really shines. Before changing anything here, we notice something important. Whenever you hover over your mouse over a toggle or drop downs, Winhance will show you detailed tooltip explaining exactly what that settings do. Here you will see the registry path, the value name, the current value, the recommended values. So for every settings, you will notice those detailed explanations. This makes Winhance very beginner friendly and help you understand every changes before applying it. Now let's disable telemetry. Let's find telemetry here on the search option. Connected user experience in telemetry service. Click on drop down lists and make it manual, which is the recommended one. So this will require system restart for the change to be effective. Now scroll down and turn off the following options. You can go down or search the settings here First, let's turn off Let App is Show Me Personalized Ads. Let App Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID. So let's toggle this off. The second setting is Show Me Suggested Content. The third setting will be Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows. Turn off this. Then the fourth setting will be Get tips and suggestions. Toggle this off. Then show suggestions in Notification Center. Turn this off. The changes apply immediately and do not require a restart. Now let's clean up the user interface. From the top left options, go to Customize tab. First, let's set File Explorer to open to this PC. The default File Explorer open under the Homes directory. Change this to go to this PC. Under Generalized Options, open File and Explorer 2. Click on the drop-down list and choose this PC. Now when we open File Explorer, instead of the cluttered home view, it will open directly to this PC. Scroll down and enable the classic context menu. Use Windows 10 style right-click menu. Use all options visible. So let's toggle this on. Now if I right-click on a desktop, you can see the familiar Windows 10 style menu. Now let's enable Disable Bing Search. Disable Bing Search results. Let's toggle this on. If I open the Start menu and type something, the search stays local, no web results, no Bing. And now let's clean the taskbar and clean the Start menu. Clean taskbar. This will remove all pinned items from the taskbar. Then click the Start menu. This will also remove all pinned items and apply clean layouts. You can immediately see how much cleaner everything looks without all the default clutter. You see all pinned apps are moved and recommendation settings and recommendation files are also gone. At this point, we have covered the safest and most impactful settings. Winhance includes more advanced options for performance and gaming that you can explore at your own pace. Apply one change at a time and remember the restore point we created earlier is always there if you need to roll back. So this is Windows 11 after the cleanup. Fewer apps, no ads, no distractions, and much cleaner interface. And that is it. Now I want to hear from you which change made the biggest difference on your PC, or did you discover another Winhance feature that worked well for you? Share it in the comment below. Your tip might help someone else. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Windows tips, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, bye bye.